Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at AutoFit and minmax, which they can make your grid responsive. It's good in certain situations and not good in others. For example, it's great for image gallery and stuff like that, but it's probably not so much for a regular website layout. So let's create a new file, grid underscore minmax.html. Let's paste this markup in there. Pause the video if you want to copy. Let's add grid-template-column and set it to autofit, and then instead of just setting a width, here I'm going to use min-max, which is a minimum and a maximum. So it's gonna take in those two arguments, let's say a min of 300 pixel and a maximum of 1 fraction. Let's save it. Let's see, as soon as I get to 300 pixel, which is our minimum, it's going to stack up. It is pretty responsive. Let's change the minimum to 500 pixel and add a bunch of child div. It's stuck, but it's only good for a gallery type layout. Let's say I just have 3 div. I don't want them to show like that. I like to have more control over them. For that I will use media queries, so I can set it to be either 3 or stacked. That's it for this video. In the next one, I'm gonna show you how to use grid templates area, which allow you to map out your content visually in your CSS. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.